What's up, Sneakerholics? It's your boy Slim Beezy bringing out a sneaker video. This time we'll do a copper drop. Should you cop these Air Jordan 1 low mochas or should you let them go? Stay tuned. Okay, let's discuss if the Air Jordan 1 low mocha will be a cop or a drop. Let's head over to StockX and look at the numbers. So as you know, the retail price for these kicks are $110. So let's scroll down to the graph and look at the price history in a 12-month historical. So looking at the graph, it shows consistency, and with the validity at 9%, it makes it a must cop. Yeah, the total number of sales are low at the moment, but looking at the weekly sales, it's in the top 15, so it shows that this sneaker is what people want. The price premium is at 85%, which means these will be selling around $200 right now. So summing everything up, these will be a must cop for me. Only thing is, I will be holding these for 12 months to get the best out the deal. I also will be doing a monthly update for a year just to see if these hold up like I think they will. Thanks for watching my videos always. Remember, hit that subscribe button and notification bell and that thumbs up if you like this video or that thumbs down if you didn't. I'm SneakerholicBeez and I'm out.